What a beautiful thought I am thinking concerning the great speckled bird. Remember, her name is recorded on the pages of God's holy word. With all the other birds flocking around her, she is so depressed by the squall. But the great speckled bird is the Bible, representing the great Church of God. Desiring to lower her standard, they watch every move that she makes. They long to find fault with her teaching, but really they find no mistake. I'm glad I have learned of her meekness. I am proud that my name is on a book, for I want to be one, never fearing the face of my Savior to when he cometh descending from heaven on the cloud that he rides in his word. I'll be joyfully carried to meet him on the wings of that great speckled bird. On the wing of a great speckled bird.